Yo, what's up YouTube? This your boy MC6 Kicks Review, and I'm back at y'all with another detailed review. Today we're going to be looking at the Lebron 12 Heart of the Line colorway, and once it focuses back in, I'll read off the colorway to y'all. And it is University Red, Black, White, Hyper Crimson, Lebron 12. That's the box. And let's go ahead and get into the review, shall we? Starting out with the sole, of course, which is one of the dopest parts of this shoe, in my opinion. I love the silhouette, but the sole is just... it's just icy, man. Alright, you got a thermal map print sole and all that. Whoa. Sorry about that, guys. All that is hold up. Alright, there we go. All that is just the pressure points from where LeBron foot pretty much is. It's where the pressure points of the side of his foot is. You know what I'm saying? If you understand what I'm saying, and all that is. And you got a Nike, you got a LeBron logo right there. You also have one right there, and just an icy blue sole with the thermal map pods all over the shoe. You got a pink one, an orange one. Well, that's actually two pink ones. That's more like raspberry, and that's a pink one. Orange, and then you got lime green, and then you got the clear one right here. And you got the LeBron number 6 right here. I thought they was going to change it up to the 23 when they pushed the release date back, but we was mistaken. Maybe they'll change it along the future models that drop. There's another 6. Got a Nike swoosh right there. Once they focus in. You also have the Nike swoosh right there. And on the sole, if you look close, it has like words of motivation. Like it had one says Mr. Basketball. I think one says I'm not supposed to be here. With just words printed throughout the sole. I thought that was pretty dope again. And I tried these on. Well, of course I tried them on. When I got them, I went to my high school gym and shot around with the basketball boys, and they do feel pretty incredible on feet, you know what I'm saying, as far as comfortability. So, and you can tell I shot around in them right there. As you can see, the rubber's peeling a little bit. And let's go ahead and get into the review, man. We're gonna start out with the left shoe. And like I said, this is the heart of the line colorway, as you can see. You got a white, you got a black swoosh right here with the orange trimming on it, with a crimson trimming on it. And if you look close on the swoosh, it does have like a almost like a webbing, if you would add. Same material that's on the front of the box, the same design. There's that webbing. I thought it was 3M, but it's not because I do have the light on. You have this foam positive material, and it is real. It's not hard, but it's not real soft. But for the most part, it is kind of soft. You can see me pressing it with my hand. Front of the toe box, you got a swoosh right here, and it is in a. It looks like it's not diamond cut like the off the 11s, but it has like a funny looking feel to it, as you can see once it focus in. Coming up to the front of the shoe, well, you got this hyper fuse, right? Well, mega fuse actually is what they're calling it. I'll get up close and personal with it. Mega fuse material coming on up. You got these orange laces right here, or crimson laces. You also have the flower wire right there. And these are pretty hard to lace up, you know what I'm saying? I would do not recommend a lace swap. And the lace eyelids, they almost look like a Beyblade, if you ask me. Has the cuts inside of it. I thought that was pretty dope too. See the cuts right there, right there. Coming on up to the top, you got this LeBron patch right here. You got his logo right there, LJ with the crown. You also have these 12 dots representing the 12th model. Coming on up to the top, you got this little pull tab right here. Well, it's not really a pull tab, but I guess it is. You got his logo right there, and it is in that orange or that crimson. And once it focuses back in, flip it up. You also got like heart rate monitors underneath it, or it could be like parts of your heart. That's what it is. Once it focuses in, thought that was pretty dope. Curving around to the other side of the shoe, well, to the back portion side of the shoe, you got another crown logo, and you also got a pull tab back here. And this pull tab actually has a little bit more on it. It looks like you got a LeBron right there. And once it focuses back in, I'll read off the other stuff to you. Just numbers. And there it is. Looks like it says BVTN, Oregon, NSR. That's like the Nike Lab. This side of the shoe, a pull tab, you actually got a heart. You got LeBron's name and number. And then it also has the nickname of the shoe, which I thought was pretty dope. So when everybody want to call him something different, the pull tab is going to let you know the actual name of the shoe. So I thought that was pretty dope. I hope they do that on every model. Once it focuses back in. Heart of the Lion. There's the LeBron logo right there. Crown. White foam positive material. You see the icy sole right there peeking, which I thought was pretty dope. Other side of the shoe, you got more of that fuse right here. You got more of that hyperfuse sitting on top of it. And the hyperfuse just feels like ropes. If you ask me, feels like threaded ropes on top of the hyperfuse. As you can see, once it focuses back in. See what I mean? That's what it sounds like. Inside of the shoe, footbed is orange, and it does says the 12. Let me pull this paper out for you guys real quick. Bear with me. Alright, you got the 12 right there. You got the LeBron logo, the 12, just a normal footbed. And give you another quick look at the shoe. And that's it, man. Let's go ahead and jump into the other shoe real quick and finish this review. We'll start at the front of this shoe. You got the LeBron logo right there again, or a LeBron patch, I would call it. You got the crown logo with the 12 dots representing the 12th model. You got the icy blue sole right here, peeking on the front of the toe box. Love that 3-color contrast right there. You got the icy blue to white, and then the university red, or the hyper crimson, whatever you want to call it. On the lace tips, I forgot to show y'all, it does have LeBron's name and logo, and it is black and in that the hyper crimson. Once it focus back in, same as on the other one. Same thing. LeBron, Nike swoosh right here. Curving to the back portion side of the shoe. Same thing that was on the other one, as you can see. And I do love the way they got this split like that. That's pretty dope. Nothing behind the tongue, but you do have a black sock liner. Got fly wire cable right here, and I'm saying, I want to say that was one of the issues with the shoe, the cosmetic issue. As you can see, the foam positive material does have like texture stuff on it, and that's about it, man. That's about it. Dope shoe in my opinion. One of the best LeBron models to date, comfortability wise, as also silhouette wise. Thank y'all for watching this review, man. Make sure y'all stay tuned for more reviews in the future. Appreciate y'all time and effort. Make sure y'all share this on your Twitter, Instagram, Facebook, and Google+. Once again, appreciate it again, guys. Have a good one.